So the other day, I was putting some LEDs, or I was changing all LEDs to the interior of my truck. And my truck comes with these side door like lights. And when I was removing them, because it's an old truck, I accidentally broke it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Look, and they're pretty bright. Let me turn off the light. Decently bright. Gives some good distance. So where I was going with this was, while I was searching on Amazon for some replacement parts, I came across these right here. And the ones I have right now is just the housing and an LED bulb. These right here are actually, the whole thing is LED. So I bought all four, and then we're gonna put these in instead of just having the bulbs, because I feel like if you have a truck, you have to at least, everything has to be bright, especially because I'm gonna be having this as my off-roading vehicle, or like to go camping or whatever it may be. So you just want to get in there, pry it out so it's out enough where this is the old housing, and then I had a bulb in there, LED bulb. So here's the housing, here's the connection, and then there's the bulb. So I had to completely disconnect this part to plug it in. Well, once you disconnect it, this is what you have left. We have to connect it. And on this side, we have the new housing. The range test. It's pretty good. So I'm definitely gonna be running these instead. Okay, so that's the range. Pretty decent range. Like, you weren't able to see my dog right away. And on this side, there's like night and day difference. This is my dog. But even the red part is LED. I didn't even notice that. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest, and then we'll do another review of everything put together. I love LEDs. The ones I got is an even distribution, and it's way brighter. So let's turn off all the lights and check it out. Everything looks way better. So before you weren't able to see my dog, and look, there she comes. I definitely think this was worth it. So would I recommend it? Most definitely. Yeah, that's about it. Like, literally everything LEDs in here. So bright. So bright in here. Especially these now. And the mirror lights too. That's it with the LEDs for the interior.